gigantic 10,000 square feet property. So in itself, this place is very popular, and the buffet at Desi Lane has been phenomenal over the years. Now this is the first time Desi Lane has come up with this buffet in their Topshia outlet, so we had to be here to launch this thing. So this entire thing which you see in front of us right now is the buffet which we are talking about. Alright, so let's start with what they have over here. So you have your main courses. This is the first time they're coming up with biryani also in the main course, alright? So that's very exciting for us. So you have your biryani. There's this special preparation over here which is a Mughlai chicken, alright? Then you have your Chinese main courses. So you have your chicken as well as fish. You're going to find different varieties every day. Then you have your rotiya, different types. Then you have your steamed rice. There's dal. There is an assorted vegetables over here. And then you have your staples, which is fried rice as well as noodles. And it does not end here. You also have salads, which is going to keep changing every day. So this entire thing which I've shown you, this entire thing is unlimited. You can take as many helpings as you want, but there is a catch. We've been mentioning a lot in most of our videos which are covering buffet that there's a lot of wastage which we do not want our community members at least to follow. We want us to be a little more considerate and responsible. So I'm really glad that finally a restaurant serving buffet has actually taken this up seriously. So along with the other rules which are mentioned over here, like you can see the buffet timings, which is from 12:30 to 2:30. 2:30 is going to be the last time. All right. The buffet price is $2.99 weekdays, $3.99 weekends, then additional desserts which I'm going to come to, and it cannot be clubbed with other offers. The final point over here is what I wanted to highlight. Alright, so to avoid any increase in the buffet prices, basically they mean the costing, they have levied ₹100 fine for any wastage which is done on the plate. Let me explain this to you. A lot of the buffets which we've covered, few which I can think of is the Momo. I remember that in particular. I've always mentioned that whenever there's a buffet, we have this tendency to overfill ourselves and the plates, etc. And at the end, there's a lot of wastage. Now, because of this wastage, what happens is that the prices of the buffets go up. Now, what Desi Lane has come up with is, in order to reduce the cost or curtail the cost, cut short the cost, what they've done is any wastage on the plate, anything which is going to be left on the plate, you're going to be fined for that. Now, that's a charge which basically helps to reduce the cost. Otherwise, it's not possible to maintain. It might be possible to give the same thing for $2.99. I'm not denying it. But giving a decent quality of everything which is there, ensuring safety as well as hygiene, etc., it's not possible to maintain. It's for a restaurant. So keeping everything in mind, what they're doing is stunning. It's a very bold step. Let's face it, a lot of people might have an issue with it. That's absolutely fine. They haven't cared a lot about it. So when the intentions are good, we absolutely support it. And I'm very excited to actually cover this buffet for primarily this reason more than anything else. Alright, the first two items which we have is the rice with the chicken over here and the fish with the noodles. This road, thank you. So we have the bread, there's rice, there's dal, there is Diwali handi, and there's Mughlai chicken. Oh yeah. Let's have the roti with the Mughlai chicken first. Next stop is the only vegetarian item which is there on this menu. I'm gonna have the rice with the dal. Now it might be a very biased opinion, but I am enjoying the dal and the rice a lot. That's what I would prefer from a buffet normally. That's not the review which you are looking for, absolutely, I'm sure. Now I always have an option of using spoon and fork, but when it comes to enjoying an Indian fare, be it anywhere, there's nothing which beats having it using your own hands. Now it's worthwhile reiterating that the buffet which we are trying over here is for $2.99 from Mondays to Thursdays, and on weekends, that is Friday, Saturday and Sunday, is going to be for $3.99. All of the items which you've seen us have is going to be unlimited, but the prices are going to be ₹100 extra if it is on a weekend. So this is a chicken biryani which we're having. It's slightly dry. That's because it's there lying above the burner. So it's gonna always soak up some amount of moisture. It's a very light biryani, alright? The kind which you will find at buffets served at the 5-star hotels. It's not going to be very spicy. It's not going to be too much oily. It's light, ghar ka khana types. I've mentioned in my video when I had done for Absolute Barbecues. Elaichi chicken. Okay. Like I had mentioned in that particular video, because the buffets are placed on top of a burner, what happens is a lot of moisture is soaked up. So what my suggestion to Desi Lane would be, at least for the biryani, if you can have it arranged in such a way that not too much of quantity is actually here in the buffet. Of course, it's going to take up a lot of time. So whoever is coming to eat, they'll need to be patient. If the customers are patient, what the restaurants can do is at least the biryani should not be placed on a burner. It should be served from the kitchen directly. Or else maybe the quantity over here can be reduced so that at least some amount of moisture can be retained when you're serving the buffet. Alright, finally we have the desserts over here. It comes with an additional, hey, don't look here. Look there.
Yeah, when you're
Go eat.
somebody's eating like that.
Go eat. Anyway, so finally we have the desserts over here. Now this comes with an additional 99 rupees. So what you get is 5 options, which we've got today. Now we have an ice cream with darshan, there's gulab jamun, there's a chocolate mousse, there's a mango mousse, as well as assorted pastries. Let's start with the darshan first. Fortunately, the darshan is crisp. Most of the time you won't find it crisp at the buffet. Let me know whether it was crisp when you tried it. Next up, I'm having the pastry. Now all of these desserts which you see over here are made in-house. Gulab jamun next. The gulab jamun is not hot, so that's a little disappointing. Next up is the chocolate mousse. It's very light, not over sweet. I personally like it. If you like sweet desserts, you might not like this one. And finally, the mango mousse. Once again, the order of the day is all the desserts which you find over here, none of it is extra sweet. I like the desserts being that way. Let me know how you like your desserts. Guys, आगे তোমরা বলো তোমাদের experience কেমন ছিল? অর্ঘ্য?
Yeah, it was good. Like the Chinese was the best. I hope they maintain the quality of it.
Absolutely, that's very
Yeah,
important.
and yeah, we shouldn't waste food. Yeah, that's a great thing.
You too, follow me and Shrishta.
I really like the food, yeah. And I agree with him. They shouldn't waste food. It's a very good initiative. And the dessert is very good.
And I love the biryani, and I feel that I like the initiative of finding ₹100 if you waste food, because so many people are dying because of not having food.
And people just dump food on their plate just for the
Sake of
buffet.
Like the food, mostly the biryani was nice and the dessert was awesome, especially the gulab jamun was amazing.
All the items are very good, superb, and especially the fish one. I like the fish and so soft.
So that was our experience. Desi Lane finally bringing the buffet to the Topshia outlet. We had an amazing time. It's actually pretty good, keeping the price in mind. So you guys can come try out the buffet and let me know in the comment section how your experience was. And in case you haven't subscribed to Foodspur yet, you can click the bell icon along with the subscription button. Until next time, it's Foodspur wrapping up from Desi Lane, Topshia. Cheers.
বাসে উঠে যাও।